Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix FPS drops in League of Legends. In order to fix FPS drops in League of Legends, firstly head to the search option. From here type League of Legends, then click on open file location. After that, right click on the shortcut and click on open file location again. After coming into the Riot clients folder, get back to Riot games from up here. Then select League of Legends folder, then go into the games folder. Now you will find the League of Legends exe. From here you need to right click on the game, go to properties, go to compatibility. From here you need to select disable full screen optimization. Then go to change high DPI settings and click on override high DPI scaling behavior. Then click on OK, apply and OK. After doing that, open up your client. Go to the settings button from the top right hand side. From here select enable low spec mode and disable motion effect. And under the close client during game, select it to always. Then click on done. Now we'll head into a custom game. After getting into a game, you need to tweak some settings, so press escape, go to the video tab. From here, change the window mode to full screen, enable hide eye candy, disable screen shake. From the graphics tab, lower every possible settings, so character will be very low, effect will be very low, environment will be on either low or very low, and shadow quality will be also on off. Now under the advanced tab, make sure to disable anti-aliasing and vexing. After you have changed the settings, you will see no FPS drops occurring in the game and you can enjoy it perfectly.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.